Morning there, guys. Hope you're all well. Hope you all had a great week. Just a quick little note to say that, or to let you know, shall I say, that I won't be putting a project up today. The reason being, it's been so hectic with work this week. I haven't had the time. I haven't been home much early all week. I did try to get in the workshop last night to do a small project. I think I got home around about 6:30 time. And I did go out and try, but I didn't want to rush it and ruin it, and then I had all the editing to do, so I just admitted defeat and decided to put a quick message out, let you guys know that I was unable to get a project up this week. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a live tonight around about 7 UK time. So if you guys are about, then pop over and we'll have a catch up. Topics, ain't got a clue. No doubt we'll talk about Maker Central. Absolutely awesome weekend. So glad I went. I still haven't unpacked my stuff from Maker Central, so I know I've got loads of stickers to go through. So I might go through a few of those and put on the board. And then we'll have a chat about what projects people have got going on and what projects I might have coming up. And I've got a few blanks I want to show you guys as well that I've made. Also, it's coming up to a year that I've been doing YouTube. So I don't know, it's a little bit of a shock that I've now done a whole year and it's come around so quick. But to be honest, I've made some awesome friends and met a lot of people who I never would dream of meeting. And also I've learned a hell of a lot as well. So we'll have a catch up on that as well. So anyway, guys, if you're free tonight, pop over and catch us out. I'll put a few updates on Instagram and Facebook and that, just to let people know that I'm doing a live, so hopefully we'll get a few in the room to have a little bit of a chat with each other. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. And as you can see, look, it's been a crap week, a long tiring week with the bags under my eyes. I feel like I'm about 104 today, but it's Friday, so I've got the weekend to recover. So hopefully catch you guys later. Speak to you later.